Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to learn about the creating the property decorators in the Typescript. Just before the declaration, a property decorator is declared. Just before the declaration, you can see that property decorator is declared. Okay. In the Typescript, you can create a property decorator to modify the behavior of the class properties or gather metadata about them. Property decorators are applied individual class properties. Here you can see that. So there is an example. Okay. So this is the property decorator that we are calling over here, right? And this is the property decorator function. And here what we can this code is executed when the decorator is applied. So here decorator is applied, then this function will be called. You can add custom behavior here for or gather the metadata. Okay. So here we have an instance of the class and we are just assess the decorated property with the help of the instance dot message. So because here we have the property message. Okay. So let's try to make understand this one. So we define a property decorator called the log property. So here you can see that we have a log property decorator. It takes two parameters, target and the property key. Target is what? The class prototype. So this is the class prototype, and the property key, the name of the decorated property. Okay. Inside the decorator function, we can add the custom behavior or gather the metadata about the property. In this case, we log the message indicating that the decorator was applied to the property. The log at the rate log property, you can see that here we have a log property. Decorator is applied to the message property of the example class. When we create an instance of the example, so here we have creating the instance, and here we are assessing the decorated property. Okay, instance dot message. So here you can see that instance dot message, we are just creating the instance, then we're calling this message one. Okay, so let's try to run this and check working or not. So here we go with this one. Let me comment this one, previous log. Okay, now we're going to add our case. Let's try to run this. So here we are calling the message with the help of the instance dot message. Before that, property decorator applied to the property message in the class example. So here you can see that the property key and the target. So the property key. So the property decorator applied to a property, which is the property key. So here you can see that the property key is message. Okay, and in the class, or which class, the target dot constructor name. So here we have the constructor name is example class. So this is the class. Okay, so here is the class example. So message in the class example. Okay, so what we get it from the target dot constructor dot name. Okay, that is the example. Okay, so this is how, this is the property decorator, right? So what we have learned over here, so how to create the property decorator. Okay, so this is property, and according to it, what we can do is like whether you want to create, here we can see that we can assess the message property to demonstrate that decorator does not change the property behavior. Finally we assess the message property. So here we have, when we have assessing the message property to demonstrate that the decorator does not change the properties behavior, it only adds the custom logic or gathers metadata when the property is declared. Okay, so this is how we can able or assess the decorator property. So this is the property, right? So you can assess via just creating the instance of the class, and this is the property decorator where we have the custom logic. Okay, so you can call before the declaration of the property. Okay, this is the thing. So whenever you want to create the property decorator, you can do like this way, and you can call before the declaration of the property. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. This is a very basic or simple example. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.